Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yeah, officially Christmas. It's that. It's that real 25 days sitting in. So it's that. Now, first things first. We want to do a little giveaway. Not a big one. We are just we're still small enough, we still a grow, but we're thankful to you for where we are. So we want to just try to, to do a little thing. In Jamaica, Pato that said do a little thing. We want to give back to you, you know. We just want to say thanks in our own little way. Just a small way. As we grow and we go, we will, step the pace up. Lots and lots more giveaways to come. But at Christmas, so we have to go on with a little something. Now, we want to throw out a question which is part A and part B to you all. Now, persons that have subscribed, and I don't want people to take it the wrong way, okay? If you just subscribed, if you have subscribed after this announcement or after this video, you will not be eligible for this competition. I think it's only fair to let it be open to those who have subscribed already and are commenting, and you must have commented at least 2 times on the Cooking Journey channel, so we are gonna know, so you don't just run and subscribe as you hear this throughout, okay? So remember, it's okay, it's good. I think it's only fair, so don't get it the wrong way, because some people might just hear it run and just hit the subscribe button, know the answer, and just run come. That is not fair, and we will know if you have just subscribed. We'll know. So we are throwing it out for those who were there with us from the beginning of the journey till right here, the 1st of December, right now at about probably some minutes to 7 Jamaica time. If you have not said subscribe already, we still appreciate your subscription, but you will not be eligible for this little giveaway, so you'll have to wait until the next one, which is coming up really soon. Now, the question is 2 questions. It's 1 question, but could we, camera girl, part A and part B, should we just say that? Okay, the very first one, part A. What is the date? Give us the date of the very first upload on the Jamaican Cooking Journey, aka West Indian Delights, or West Indian Delights, aka the Jamaican Cooking Journey. Give us the day and the date of my very first upload. Not my intro, not the intro. The intro was the first, so I am not sure if the intro, but I'm not considering the intro an upload. Would you, camera girl? It is? It is. Okay, camera girl says, so the intro then, the very first upload. Because most times the intro not, but let us use the intro, the very first intro, the very first video. Give us the day and the date of that upload. Part A. Part B. I name all my pots. Well, not all, most of the big pot them where we use. I was gonna ask you to give the name of the jerk pan, but me say, lad, they might think it too hard. I don't want to be hard on you. I want to forget it. I'm not gonna go wrong and you have to type in a 444 and no, I just want to make it easy for you. My jerk pan as a name. My coal stove rim as a name. I did say them to you in prior videos. Everybody know Jesse, I could have never asked, didn't forgive me the name of the Dutch pot. I want you to give me the name of this wok. Me fry fish in it, me do all kind of stir fry in it. Give me the name of this wok. If you are watching the video, give me the name of my wok. I call it my wok or my big skillet. Give me the name that I give, just like how I give my Dutch pot named Jessie. Okay? So I'm going to leave in the description for you the questions. But let us go back again. Give me the day. If you give me the, I'm sorry y'all, if you give me the date and you don't give me the day, you ain't gonna get it. If you give me the date and you don't give me the day, or you give me the day and you don't give me the date, null and void. I need the day and the date of the very first upload on the Jamaican cooking journey, and the name of my big skillet, or that wok there that I use for frying fish and for doing stir fry. I think that is more than reasonable. That is so easy. Now, first and second, the very first and second person to give me the correct answer via WhatsApp. I wanted to say Instagram, but Camera Girl says, Mom, not everybody has Instagram. And I think that's fair. So everybody's supposed to have WhatsApp, where I am going to leave my WhatsApp number. I am also going to leave it in the email, because I think if me get it through email, I can. What you say, Camera Girl? Yes. Yes. But should we use email? Because what about I think we should just use WhatsApp. We're just going to use WhatsApp. We don't want no problem. We just want it to be fair and square. So you have the first and second person coming with the correct answer via WhatsApp. You will be the winner of the first and the second prize. And the prize is Jamaican black cake. We're going to be having 2 sizes of the Jamaican black cake. If you're abroad, don't worry, yourself will get it shipped to you. You don't worry about the shipping. That will be paid by us. You can't win sitting and people are tell us say you have to pay for it. Not go so. You understand? So we'll get it straight to your door. So this little offer, this little, what you call the competition, this little thing, it closes Friday the 7th. I think it's more than reasonable. I should have closed it earlier, because I want to get the cake off to you really relatively soon. Relatively soon. So we're closing it by the 7th of December. After the 7th of December, at a certain time, that's out. It will be out. So the very first person to give me that answer via WhatsApp, first and second, the prize will be a black cake, a Jamaican black cake, well prepared right here on the Jamaican cooking journey. We might just do the video while preparing it. You may never know. And we'll get it right off. So as soon as we acknowledge you, or we identify yes when you send me your text, and as soon as I acknowledge and say yes, that's the answer, the very first person, you need to get in touch with me. Give me all of your credentials and something that we can get the cake post off to you in due season, where you get it. I would like you to get it before Christmas. If you want to eat it off, me no response, you know. Okay? So as I said, shipping will be paid, everything will be paid free of cost. It will come right to your door. Okay, and we are closing off the 7th because we need time to get the shipping done. Now we are selling black cakes internationally and locally. We will be selling some black cakes. So my email address, oh no, my Instagram name, I'm still gonna put it in it, and I'm gonna be putting my WhatsApp contact. If you want to make your order, you can start now. As soon as you see the information in the description, or you can get to me, you get to me. I will not say the cost and all of this on this here. When you get to me, we will do business and it will be shipped to you, but you have to pay that shipping. You will have to pay the shipping for what you order. So when we are going to be getting some sizes of some, and please bear in mind, the Jamaican black cake is sold by the pound. It is sold by the pound. Okay? So if you are abroad, if you are come down, if you're at Jamaica, wherever, okay? And you want to get some of our Jamaican black cake, you'd like to try some of our Jamaican black cake, I'm going to leave all my information. This is not a joking. If you are on joke, please don't. Please don't try to contact me for joking, okay? Just saying. So we'll be selling some Jamaican black cake, but we will having a cutoff date for our orders. So if you're interested, you need, as soon as you see all this information, you go down in the description box, slap me up, hook me up same time. Okay, family, we are back making some clarification. Camera Girl was saying something, but we clarified it. No business will be done in the comment section. for the competition, for the answer to the questions that we threw out, no answer will be taken in the comment section. Let me state that categorically clear. None of that. No business, no ordering of black cake in the comment section. No answering to the questions of the little competition in the comment section. No, even if the answer is correct, we will not accept it. We'll be leaving our email address. We are going to leave Instagram connection, and we are going to leave with WhatsApp. Those three, those are competent. None of that in the comment section. Okay, please, I hope you have gotten it. I hope you don't click off and then you go in the comment section. Okay, so that's it. Welcome to 12 days of Jammas. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. 12 days of Jammas. That will be on each one of our videos from now, from this one on. 12 days of Jammas. Everybody doing vlogmas. We are in Jamaica. It's Christmas. So me do my thing. It's Jammas. 12 days of Jammas. The very first 12 days of December. We will be uploading 2 videos per day. One in the morning, one in the evening. We don't want to say a specific time because sometimes the time varies because we're busy. But one in the morning, one in the evening, just for you. Okay? 12 days of Jammas. We'll see how it go after the 12. If we're going to continue, I will just continue with a single video per day. Okay? Just for you. We have lots of things to get in, so that's the way we're going to do it. And that's how we are doing 12 days of Jammas. On the Jamaican Debbie Debs, we'll be trying to do vlogmas. We'll be trying to upload a little video or a little vlog for the 21st, 25 days leading up to Christmas. We'll be trying something like that. But on the Jamaican cooking journey, it is 12 days of Jammas. Please enjoy it. Please make sure say you make the most of it. We'll be uploading some serious videos. The video them where you never see it. The video them where you call out for. The video them where you ball out for. Okay? Now there is somebody needs a little help in the comment section. And she put it right out. Her name is Kimara Richardson. So on our next video, well, we'll be doing a cooking video. We will try to help her. She has a problem with her sorrel. She did her sorrel and it went wrong. If you're watching this video and you did your sorrel and it went wrong, you need to keep your notifications on and make sure you're subscribed. Yes, you must subscribe if you keep your notification on. If you did your sorrel and you have problem with it, or if you want to do it and you're still not sure of how we did it, the video is there. We're going to leave the link. But we left the link and she did it as how we did it, but something go wrong. We don't know. She asked for help, broad, wide open. That was so bold of you, darling. And we are going to be helping her to see what went wrong. The sorrel spoiled. We don't know if Duppy did in the kitchen and go play up in her sorrel or what. But when we come on the next video, we will be addressing it. We'll be trying to help Kimara. Now, I think I've said everything. We'll be leaving the questions in the description. Everything, every single thing. The only, anything you need to know about the sale of the black cake and about the little competition, you please get to me. Instagram, WhatsApp, and email. Okay, I think I've said it. And make sure you're all being prepared. Make sure you start your prepping. Make sure your fruits them stew and all of them sitting on them there. Make sure you're on, you're in. Okay, I think that's it. And please do enjoy our 12 days of Jammas. Debbie from Dongayard, bless, no stress.